But nigga don't stop. Cause soon as you do is a nigga right there to take your motherfucking spot. And I know you don't want this bad as me.
YouTube, it's O. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be giving y'all a Monday chart breakdown. Basically letting you guys know what pairs I'm gonna be looking at and where I'm gonna be looking at to get in. Let's get straight into it. I also want to apologize now. I know I told you guys I was gonna get a new app that allows me to screen record myself while screen recording my laptop, but I was unable to. I just downloaded this app Tella, but it is glitching and moving slow, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm just going to flip the camera and show you guys the couple of instruments that I'm looking at this week. All right, y'all. The first pair I'm going to be looking at this week is GBP USD. All of my time frames are bearish. I have my list of confluences I gathered from my higher time frames, which is the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour. So what I'm waiting for now is a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour within my time that I trade. So that'll be 6 o'clock, 6:30 a.m. when I get on the charts to about 9:30. I'm looking to get a 1 hour bearish engulfing, and then that's when I go down to my lower time frames and look for my shift of structure and my entry time frame. Once again, this is GBP USD. I have all my time frames bearish, and I have my price that is currently reacting from my higher time frame zone that I drew out here on the weekly, and it lines up with a daily area of interest here. If I could just show you guys. Yeah, boom. So that's my daily area of interest, and this is my weekly area of interest. We can clearly see we reacted from the weekly area of interest, and now we're reacting from the daily area of interest. My second pair that I have on my watch list is gold. Once again, I have my confluences that I've gotten together for my trade. All of my all of my time frames are going down. We can clearly see a bearish shift of structure here on the weekly. We can see our daily shift of structure here, and we can see our 4 hour shift of structure. If we zoom out a little bit, boom. So we made higher high, boom, and we broke the low. We didn't hold it. So now we're looking to take this low out right here. So once again, on this pair right here, I'm also looking for a bearish engulfing during my session that I trade, and then I'm going to be looking for a shift of structure with my entry signal on the lower time frame. Those are the only two green setups I'm looking at. I have a GBP NZD trade right here, but I need my 4 hour to break this structure right here. I didn't like how messy it was at this area of interest. The only thing that I do like is that this final leg that happened on Friday, I like that it swept all of this minor structure right there. It swept all of this minor structure, and now we're heading up. So I want to see this 4 hour broken right here, and then I'll be getting in on the pullback. Once it has a shift of structure on that pullback, then I'll be getting in. One more trade that I'm also looking at is NZD Swiss. This one, I'm going to get my confluences together once my 4 hour shift structure to the downside, because if I'm not mistaken, my daily is bearish. Yeah, correct. But my weekly is bullish. So I just need a little bit more confirmation on my 4 hour time frame. One thing that we can see is if we do head to the downside, price has this large wick to fill, but I will need it to close underneath that EMA on the higher time frame. So yeah, I only have 2 setups that I'm looking at for real this week, and that's okay with me. I want to take the highest probability trades that I can. I done took my shirt off, y'all. It's hot as hell in this garage. But this is where I chose to do my video because the outlet is right here next to the couch. But anyways, last week of the month, I just want to execute on my positions with no hesitation or reservation. And that's really the goal. I have 2 good looking setups. I've gathered my confluences. I only have 3 confluences left to check off in order for me to get into the trade. So I'm just going to be paying close attention to those. I usually enter my trades Tuesdays or Wednesdays. So these trades are looking very good to set up on either one of those days. 3 of the things I'm waiting for on both of those setups, GBP, USD, and gold, is a 1 hour bearish engulfing, a shift of structure, and my entry signal on one of the lower time frames. Not one of the lower time frames, the 15-minute or the 30 or the 1 hour is what I consider the lower time frames. But yeah, waiting for a bearish engulfing and a shift of structure. Once again, you guys know if I do get into a trade, I'm going to be doing a live trading video, so you guys get to follow along with me. I'm going to do better at making those videos. I'm going to do better at catching myself executing, because I always remember after the fact. But next live trading video I will be capturing more of my emotions when I'm getting into the trade, of my thoughts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just do better with my live trading, so it's not like almost like a trade breakdown after I've gotten in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Those are the couple of trade instruments that I'm looking at this week. Remember that it is the summer months, so it may not be a lot of volume. It may be a lot of volume for whatever type of trading strategy you have. But remember that the key is to stay in the game. We want to take care of our risk management, because risk management allows us to take care of our psychology as well. We won't be too down and affected in these moments if our trades are not always working out, or if anything bad is happening, or if anything that you don't want to be happening in these moments. That's what risk management allows us to just take care of ourselves and be relaxed and still be confident in moments like these. So remember, take care of your capital. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep these fire videos coming, so make sure y'all lock in with me. I'm out.